Hey, how you doing?
What?
How you doing?
I'm waiting for you to give me my shoes.
Oh, you gonna do an unboxing of the shoes I bought you?
Yeah.
There's the shorts that Chai Chai gave her.
Wait, can I see? What? Ah, the shorts.
Yeah, they're right there. Alright, here's the...
I have a gift from Santa. Aww. Adidas. I have a big feet. Look at this. So pretty. It's a running shoes from Adidas. Good. Want me to wear it? I did have a...
Does it have a name on them? What kind of shoes are they?
It's Adidas Ultraboost.
Ultraboosts. Ah, Adidas Ultraboosts.
So nice. Look at this.
Uh,
Ultraboost. This is my first expensive shoes ever in my life. Thank you so much. Oh, this is what do you call this? A Christmas and a birthday present.
no, that's still coming. That's just because I love you.
Wow, thank you so much. I'll just wear this. I have socks already. There's some gold. So nice. Oh, look at that. Where's the other one? Look at that. So pretty. Have one. Still have the looks pretty good.
It's gorgeous. Just like the girl wearing them.
We didn't come prepared. So nice, look at that. So pretty. I'm going to run every day. Because I have running shoes. Look at that.
She's lying. She's lying. She's not going to run every day.
I'm running. So cute, honey. Look at that.
Aww.
Don't let me know my size. So big for a girl.
Look at my big monster feet. My foot without shoes is bigger than your foot with shoes. Don't worry about it, honey.
So cute, my love. Thank you.
Of course. Anything from my princess.
Look at this. I like white.
Those actually are pretty snazzy shoes.
I like white shoes.
Yeah, those are pretty good looking shoes. I'm not a shoe guy, but I can tell those are nice shoes.
It is.
And they're breathable. I can see that
Yes.
fabric too.
Thank you, honey.
Of course.
I'm going to run. So good.
Bye-bye. All right, we're leaving. She needs to take a shower. She hasn't showered in 3 days.
So cute, honey. Look at that. My feet are so big.
Are we ending?
Yeah.
All right.